Well, I lied. What's up, guys? Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. What we got planned in today's video is something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time. This is the 𝐂𝐸𝐸 Motorsports Flex Fuel Kit. No, I am not running Flex Fuel on my car. My car is all E85, full E85. There's no Flex Fuel. But this kit comes with everything you need. So what comes in the kit right here is the flex fuel sensor. Well, not flex fuel sensor, but the sensor to tell you what how much ethanol is in the fuel. You got the gauge itself, and then I think what comes else is, yeah, like the VGA cords, the face for it. If you want to change the face, it's not black or anything like that. And then I went ahead and I picked up some fuel connectors to connect to my fuel line. But yeah, that's what we're doing in today's video. So let's hop into it. So first things first, I wanted to tell you guys, if you guys haven't checked out the last video of the belt squeak, how to fix it and not run, you know, green HD belts, click the video right up here. But the first thing what we're gonna do in the vid is right here. So this is the fuel line we're tapping in. That's gonna read our fuel content or ethanol and tell us what kind of what percentage ethanol we're putting in. And it would be very useful for me because there's like, I think over here, yeah, I'm pretty sure there's like 3 or 4 E85 stations. So if I put this kit in there, it would definitely help me out. Steps to do is to pop off this little red clip right there. Pop it off right there. Alright, it's off. So I already took this clip out. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the flex fuel kit right there. This is where this tapping in. It's gonna be tapping in right here. This is how I have everything set up. I have the 2 quick connects like this, and then I have a ring over there. So I'm going to shove it in this way, tighten the ring, and then plug it in there, and it should work. So, but I'm probably gonna do it that way so the cable's easier, because I'm gonna be using the same line that I used for the boost gauge. I don't even know where that is. Oh, it's right there. Yeah, so where the wire goes right there, I'm gonna wire it in that way. All right, well guys, it is in. The flex fuel kit's right here, or the sensor. I should stop saying flex fuel kit. The sensor is in. It goes right here, fuel line comes out, goes in here, goes into the sensor, and then back to the fuel rail. So I'm going to turn it on and see if it has any leaks. Did a test. I turned, well, didn't turn it on, but I pressed the pedal. That primes the fuel line, and no leaks. So it's a good sign. All right, so it is hooked up. It goes down here, goes in there, and it feeds right through there. I don't think you guys, yeah, you're not gonna be able to see that. Can you see it? Yeah, so it feeds in right there. Hook in the boost gauge and then tap my wires that I already have, because I already have a boost gauge in it. Just need to tap them and it's good to go. Right, so I have everything wired through. I have the power lines going through, the boost gauge wires right here, what we're gonna be tapping into. All right, guys, well, let's see. It's all wired in. See if this sucker works. Yep, it works. So we're reading 79.6 ethanol. So that is a really good reading. That means I can beat on it and not be scared. And just to let you guys know how I tapped it in is that, so my boost gauge has already wires coming out. So what I did is, this boost gauge already runs off of accessory. So I just used the wire tappers to tap into my accessory and then ground it, of course. And then every time when I turn it on, it just turns on, just like, you know, my other gauge. So yeah, when I tap it, it comes on with that, comes on with the start light. Turn it off, everything just turns off. So that's what I did to make it run. If you guys are curious to see what wires you use on this kit, the brown and yellow ones, I believe these are for data logging, if you want to hook it up with your data log. These, you're, of course, you know, all your white is your accessory, your red is your power, and then your black is ground, of course. So if you want to use this and set it up into a fuse, the white one, you can. Me, I just put it all together because I already have an accessory wire. So it's no use, but that is what you do. The yellow and brown, most of you guys probably won't be using that. Everything is back to normal. I have it wired in where it's just sitting on the bottom right now, because I'm buying a boost pillar that's going to be holding this boost gauge and that gauge. So it's both going to be sitting like right here. So it'll look good. But for now, this is all that's going to be sitting. All right, just for a quick recap. So tap the sensor right here into the fuel line right here. Goes in. The wire itself wraps around in here and then goes down to the firewall. Can't really see it, it's right there. Then you go in here. What I did is I tapped the wires that I have for this, so the accessory mode, and then I just plugged it into the boost gauge. It's gonna sit like this for a little bit because I need to buy the pillar, and the pillar that I'm buying, it's gonna have the dual, so yeah. But this is where it's gonna sit at right now, and it's all hooked up. All right guys, well, that is the end of the install. Just, you know, say it's a pretty simple install. You're just tapping your fuel line, you're running the wire through your firewall, plugging it in, making sure you got power and it reads right. Me, it was really easy because I had another boost gauge, so I just literally fed or tapped off of what wires I already had wired in. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. The wheels reveal is coming soon. I'm making a video on it. I'm just thinking more or thinking about how I'm gonna do it and whatnot. So guys, so bear with me, but I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.